In a world where tradition meets innovation, where ancient faith intertwines with modern culture, a new star is about to rise. This isn't just a story about Vatican City, it's a captivating journey of hope and connection that will resonate across generations. Meet Luis, Vatican's newest ambassador, and the face for the upcoming 2025 Jubilee. With her brilliant blue hair and sparkling eyes that light up the starry night, she is more than just an anime character. She is a symbol of renewal, adventure, and faith. Forget everything you knew about religious figures, because this girl is here to change the game. Dressed in a bright yellow raincoat, which is an homage to the Vatican flag, and sporting green boots that proudly showcases the marks of the journey. Luz is ready for everything. Those muddy boots, they have a specific reason. They symbolize the challenging yet rewarding journey of faith. After all, what's a pilgrimage without some dirt under your nails and some stories to tell? And what's in her name? Her name is Luz, which means light in Italian, that embodies the essence of hope and guidance. Imagine her leading a joyful procession, waving her walking stick like a baton, and proclaiming, "Let's shine our light on the path we are embarking on, our path to discovery." With her infectious smile and vibrant energy, Luz is the kind of friend that reminds you that every step counts, even the missteps. In a year where anime reached an unprecedented height, like Hayao Miyazaki's The Boy and Heron winning the Best Animated Feature Film, the Vatican has decided to seize the moment to connect with a new generation. They have realized that in order to reach the young hearts, they need to embrace the culture that captivates them. Luz is the perfect blend of tradition and trend, bringing a new and refreshing perspective to the church. From the moment Luz was unveiled, the internet exploded. Artists around the world took to the canvases, creating fan arts and memes that showcases her charm. She has quickly become the most beloved character of 2024, proving that joy and creativity knows no bounds. Archbishop Fisichella, I'm sorry for butchering the name, stated that Luz was designed to keep the Catholicism relevant in the pop culture. It's like Vatican said, let's sprinkle some anime magic on our messages. Let's talk about the different design elements and the reason behind them. The light in the eyes represent the vision and light of God and the journey toward it. The light in her eyes is in the shape of a shell, which represents perseverance and faith. The beads represent a life of deep prayer. The walking stick symbolizes the pilgrimage of life and a journey towards eternity. The dirty boots are a symbol of humility and a long arduous journey. And the color green represents hope. And the sailor's raincoat symbolizes a journey through life's storm. It shows that life's pilgrimage doesn't always navigate through calm waters. And the coat symbolizes divine protection on the pilgrimage towards eternity. Luz doesn't journey alone, but with her ensemble of friends. A witty girl with a camera, a curious boy with a sketchbook, a brave girl with a backpack, reminds me of Dora, a playful dog that sniffs out adventure, a guardian angel that sprinkles hope, and a dove which delivers wisdom. And with all of her friends, she is ready to take on the world. Together, they form an ultimate team, proving that friendship is just as important as faith. In a world filled with chaos and uncertainty, Luz shines as a beacon of light, positivity, and love. She shows us that faith can be fun, that joy can be found in every moment, and it's okay to take a detour every now and then. Picture her rallying with her friends, saying, "Adventure awaits. Let's find joy in every step we take." So, what do you think? Is Luz the unexpected heroine we were waiting for? Will she inspire a new wave of excitement and connection within the church and beyond? I want to hear your thoughts. Join the conversations in the comment section. I will read them all. And if you're thrilled about this extraordinary fusion between faith and pop culture, together let's see where Luz's journey takes us. Remember, whether you are seeking a spiritual guidance or just a little light in your life, Lewis is here to guide the way. Join this incredible journey of faith, adventure, and heart as we celebrate the magic of connection, creativity, and joy of being alive. That's it for today, guys, from my side. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more such interesting news from the world of anime and Japan. Take care. I will see you in the next one. Peace.